In our last video, I showed you guys how we transformed our beautiful living room from looking like this, which was really beautiful, guys. I am getting so many comments. There's so many mixed feelings around our new transformation, but this is what the living room looked like. I liked it so much, but then I wanted to upgrade it. And to me, this is an upgrade. We decided to upgrade the media wall, and this was the process. I showed you guys the entire process in our previous video. I'm going to link it down below so you guys can check it out. This was the process until how we delivered it to looking like this, and I really liked it. And today I will be showing you guys how we're going to clean and redecorate this space from the after makeover, you know what I mean? So yeah, unfortunately I was filming the video and the camera quality wasn't so good, but I still decided to show you guys. Up here you can see we already have the art that the contractor placed up for me because I knew I wouldn't be able to reach after he left. I already put 3 nails on the walls for our 3 wall arts that we're going to place on the right side of the wall here. And so this is what the space looks like so far after the makeover. We're still going to repaint the entire room, but for now we just decided to create some accent wall pieces with what we have. For now, we are not continuing the project, but we'll continue at a later time. But yeah, this is what the living room looks like. I'm going to clean, I'm going to decorate, and I'm going to introduce a product, which is the rug that I'm going to be using today, because this video is in collaboration with Well Woven Rugs. So guys, just keep watching and enjoy the video as we go. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dede, the mom, the boss. How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing amazing, because I am doing great. As earlier said, this video is in collaboration with Well Woven Rugs. They sent me this beautiful glamorous modern rug, and I was so excited because I really wanted to try something new in this space, you know. And it's kind of a marble rug, and I love the design on the rug. The only problem I have with this rug is that it doesn't unfold smooth, so it needs time for it to be really smooth on the floor. And so with me, who has little kids, they can easily trip on the rug before it actually gets to that stage where the rug is really very smooth. But apart from that, oh my god, this rug is super beautiful, super elegant, super soft, classy. I don't know, the rug is so beautiful. The other con I have with the rug, especially now during this Christmas time, is that it's very busy, and so I'm trying to go with a bit lighter colors in my living room. But yeah, I love the rug. I love the design. This is like porch, you know what I mean? Very beautiful. So yeah, look at the rug. It's so cute. I just like it. I'm going to show you guys detail at the end of the video. I've always told you guys about this 3 wall art. I was really contemplating if after the very busy media wall, I should just put 1 art here. You guys give me your thoughts. Tell me what you think about that. And of course, I like my little table. Some people keep saying that this table is too small for this space. The problem I have with the table is just I feel like my finishing after the paint wasn't so good on that table. But I love the table because it's very classy, and it's small, and my kids are not going to bump themselves on that table. But yeah, I think it's time for me to show you guys this media wall when it's lit and has no decor, and then I'm going to decorate it and just make it look beautiful, make my living room pretty nice and luxurious, guys. So anyway, if you're enjoying it so far, please let me know down in the comment section below. just realized that I haven't really introduced myself to you guys. Hello guys, my name is Dede. I'm a mom, I'm a wife, I'm an entrepreneur, nurse, busy girl, and I'm pregnant with baby number 3, guys. And in today's video, I'm just showing you guys how I'm cleaning and redecorating my space after a beautiful makeover. And if you're liking the vibe so far on this channel and you're not subscribed yet, please do well to hit the subscribe button and of course the notification bell so you would always be the first to know every single time I upload videos like this. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, you know I heart you. Thank you so much. Thank you for always supporting your girl. Without you, I wouldn't be here today. Of course, let's jump back into the video. And if you haven't dropped a comment up to this point, what are you waiting for? Please drop me a beautiful comment down below. Tell me something nice. I would really appreciate to read something from you. Thank you so much for your constant support. I love and appreciate you. Keep watching to get the total reveal and the tour of this space.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow. And the old ways get washed out by the rain.
So here is the final reveal of this space. I am very obsessed with my living room right now. I love every detail here. The only thing I'm still worried about is the 3-wall art. I don't know if it's a lot. I'm thinking to take it down and just put one beautiful art there. And I'm not sure what I want to put, but yeah, so far so good. Everything is looking my taste. Some people complain about the decor on the display cabinets or on the media wall. Listen, I am an interior decorator. I love to decorate. I'm a content creator. I change that decor as I go. Every day when I feel different, I change it. That is why I have different pieces. So
Find your troubles. There's a new day, and it will set you free.
look at that rug, guys. Oh my goodness, what is there not to love about this rug? And what is a cozy space without a throw blanket? I'm so obsessed with my space, really. I love this floral arrangement that I put together. I just love every piece in this space. You guys give me your thoughts. Tell me what you think. If you have any questions, drop them down below. I would love to see it. Thank you all so much for supporting your girl all the time. I really love and appreciate you. Please stay tuned and tour this space.
If you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day, it is waiting for us. There's a new day waiting.
If you've watched up to this point, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you. I'm gonna link the rug down below. I'll link the previous video of the makeover down below. If you would like to check them out, please, you can gift someone a rug. They have different designs. Do well to check them out. And of course, gift someone, buy it for your space, and enjoy the holidays. I can't wait to start showing you guys my Christmas content this week and next week. Thank you all so much. Have a good day. Bye.
On a run from a given disaster, speed away from the holy mind. Pride, that's where I never